Hey there friends, welcome back to Culinary Delights, where the only thing spicier than my chili is my sense of humor. Today we are making Wendy's famous chili, because who doesn't love a bowl of comfort that also doubles as a secret weapon against those chilly winter nights? First things first, let's gather all our ingredients. We've got ground beef, kidney beans, cans of diced tomatoes, onions, green bell peppers, chili powder, cumin, and a little salt. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, throw in a dash of extra spicy hot sauce to take your taste buds to the next level of fire. Now we're going to start by browning the ground beef. It's like the gym for meat, just a little sweating and it'll be ready for the big show. Make sure to break it apart. You don't want it clumping together like being on a crowded train during rush hour. Awkward and uncomfortable. Once the beef is browned, toss it into a larger pot. Of course, you can use the one pot to cook everything in. I just prefer to use a frying pan to cook the beef first and then into a pot. Next, we add in the beans with the liquid. Remember folks, the more beans, the better. It's just not a chili, it's a bean fiesta, and everyone loves a good party. Add the chopped celery, the green pepper, and the onions. The smell of onions always gets me. It reminds me of crying when my rugby team won the Rugby World Cup. Now give it a good stir. It's now time for the magic. Sprinkle in chili powder and the cumin, and don't forget the salt. Just like my mom said, a little spice makes everything nice. Next, pour in the diced tomatoes and some water. Give it a good stir and let it simmer for about an hour. That's right, an hour. It's like waiting for your crush to text you back. Worth it in the end. And voila! The moment we've been waiting for. The chili is ready. You can top it with cheese, onions, or even a dollop of sour cream if you're feeling fancy. Now it's time for the best part, the taste test. Wow, it's just like Wendy's, but without the drive-thru line. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, life is like a bowl of chili. Sometimes it's spicy and sometimes it's sweet, but it's always better when shared with friends, and a side of cornbread. See you next time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and click the notification button.